Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we discuss the leaf of the plant. We basically discuss the structure of leaf and the function of leaf. So here I am showing you the leaf of some different plants. First we discuss the structure of leaf. So basically leaf is a main part of the plant. It is attached to the stem part. This is the petiole of leaf. This petiole is thin stalk-like structure. This petiole attaches the leaf with the stem of the plant. The size of this petiole varies from plant to plant. We have 4 leaves from different plants and we can compare the size of petioles in these leaves. This is minimum in this leaf. This is the leaf of vinca plant. And this is the leaf of rose plant, and this leaf are some indoor plants, right? So the size of petiole differ plant to plant. The main function of petiole is to attach the leaf part from the stem of the plant. Now next is the blade. Blade is the broad portion of the leaf. This is the blade part. This is petiole and this broad part is the blade. This blade part has apex and margin. This is the apex, that is the leaf tip. This is apex of the leaf and this is the margin of leaf. Means margin is the outer boundary, outer edge of the leaf. Margin of leaf also varies from plant to plant. In some leaves, margin of leaf is smooth, like in this leaf. We can easily see the smooth margin of the leaf. In vinca plant also, the margin is smooth, right? But in rose plant, we can see that there are some cuts at the margin. This type of margin is called jagged margin, right? And this type of margin which has some projections, this is called lobed margin. Now next is midrib. Midrib is the main central vein. We can easily see this main central line. This is the midrib. Midrib is very prominent in maximum plants. It is also prominent from the back side of the leaf. We can see that in all these leaves midrib is prominent. We can easily see the midrib in all these leaves, right? There are some also projections from the midrib, like we can see easily that these lines, these are the veins. These are vascular tissues bundle and these support the leaf and transport nutrients in the leaf. These veins are prominent in this leaf and in this leaf also, from back side, and this is from front side. In this leaf, veins are not so prominent, but in back side we can see easily. These are the veins. These are the veins. And if we see the rose leaf, yeah, in this leaf also we can see these are the veins. So this is the structure of leaf. Stomata are also present on the surface of the leaf. They are generally present on the lower surface because to reduce their exposure to heat and the air. Now discuss the function of leaf. The main function of leaf is to produce food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, chlorophyll, a green pigment, plays very important role. This green color pigment is present in the leaves. So leaves produces food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis in presence of sunlight and green pigment chlorophyll. This is the reason that maximum plants have green colored leaves. But some plants have colored leaves like this leaf. This has yellow patches. This is due to the presence of some other colored pigments along with the chlorophyll. I shares pictures of some colored leaves. These are the leaves of some indoor plants. They have yellow and red color pigment along with the chlorophyll. So that's all for this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. So don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe the channel if you are new on it. Thank you.